Good day, everybody, my students and my subscribers out there. Welcome back again to Flicker Brains. Okay, so let's log into my dashboard, and you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard on the screen. For those of you that have been on this channel for a while, you notice that I've been posting this particular account since early last year, and whenever the account get any issues or any problem, I give you guys the feedback on this channel. So if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about Google AdSense loading, you want to know every detail concerning AdSense loading, you can click on the subscription button. So whenever I drop a video, you're going to see it on your FYP. Okay, regardless, I have a particular announcement I want to make. For those of you that have a strong AdSense account or an account that received multiple payments in the past, I want to bring it up for partnership. I'm going to be collecting accounts for partnership this coming February. So if you have accounts that received like 2 times payments and above, you can bring the account. Click on the description box below. You're going to see a contact info there. Contact me and we are going to negotiate and we'll partnership on your account and share revenue. Now, if your account has not received more than 2 times payment, don't come to my DM. Don't slide into my DM because I won't respond to you. I only receive accounts that has received more than 2 times payment received. 2 times payment received and above. Okay, that's, by the way, let me reload this. Okay, so from the screen here, you can see my performance. You can see what we have done so far. You can see my CPC. Now we have created a new cookies method that helps your CPC grow faster. Now if you just use this cookie, you import these cookies inside your bots, within 3 consistent days of work, you're going to see how your CPC is gradually going to increase. Now you can see my RPM, you can see my impression, everything is smooth. The bot I make use of is very effective. We have updated our method. Most of you have already come to my DM. I have set the bot for you. Most of you are already earning. I'm even going to drop many student testimonies from 21st. People that receive payment on 21st this month. I'm going to drop the videos. I will drop it. So if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe so you can see more of this and you can get some inspirations too. Okay? So that's regardless. If you want to get more about this loading method, you want to join my mentorship class, you want to understand everything regarding Google AdSense loading, I've already created a step-by-step tutorial that explains everything in details, how you're going to work on your account, grow your account. You can see this account. This account is an old account. I've been growing this account. Even when the account has issues, we normally remove the ad limit. It just takes 3 days or max of 1 week to remove the ad limit and it's going to go off from your account. So you won't face any issue. And that was even last year we faced ad limits. Since November, we have not faced ad limit on this account. You can check my videos. I normally keep updates. You can go through my channel. You see, I normally keep update on this channel. Okay, so this method is a new method that I created around December. So if you make use of this method, you won't face any issues with your account. Okay, so if you want to get more inquiries about this, click on the description box below for more inquiries. Okay, have a nice day and safe loading to you guys. Peace.